Hello. It's 12:40 a.m. and I'm watching YouTube
You're the Spider-Man from YouTube.
and I am also recording while watching this YouTube videos. And I really wanna cry because I don't know what I'm feeling like. It's like I feel so numb right now. Like I have like no idea. You have like no idea. But I'm feeling like super numb right now. I feel like I'm a loser. Ow. Ow. Something in my eyes. There's something in my eye. Ugh. You know what?
I want to donate my eyes when I die.
When I die, I want to donate my eyes and my liver
We can donate our liver, right?
or lungs. I can donate my lungs for sure. अगर मेरे lungs donate होंगे तो कोई इंसान मर जाएगा. Because I live in Delhi. But yeah, I wanna donate my eyes and my liver. हम क्या करते हैं? Lungs देते हैं. Lung. हाँ, we can donate our lungs, no? Can we donate our livers? I don't know if we can. Let me Google it. Can we donate our lungs? No. I was talking about liver. Yes, we can. Donate now. Donate small amount. Yes, we can. Yes, we can. We can donate our liver. So I want to donate my eyes only. I don't know about my liver. I don't think my liver is also healthy. There are like eligibilities. If you are healthy, then you can donate your lung or your liver. But my eyes are healthy for sure. My eyes are really healthy. I eat a lot of chicken. Does that count in health? I mean in eye health. I don't know. Who cares? I would if I want to. I mean I will, of course, one day when I die. I asked my father, I told him that I really want to donate my eyes, and they were like, sure, beta, donate yourself. Give yourself. Go selfless. This is the biggest thing a person could do. This is why humanity exists. Because, I mean, this doesn't make any sense, but would you go selfless? Like, are you selfless? I think I'm not selfless. But I also feel like you can't do anything being like, you just can't, like, कुछ तो नहीं उखाड़ पाओगे तुम सेल्फलेस होकर, लेकिन उखाड़ भी लोगे. You will win a lot of people, but what are you gonna do with those people in the end? You'll die, right? Are you gonna die at the end? Everyone dies at the end. I think this word, what do we use for this word? Like we have lifespan, no end to life. Uh, the fuck? Why do see? This is what happens when I sit in front of camera or in front of anyone. I go out of words. And morality. No, not morality. I gotta Google it now. I have like that word in my mind. I just can't talk it. I just can't, take it on my mouth. We were talking about immorality. No, not immorality. Why can't I have? Who are those people who don't die ever? What do we have a word for that? And why the fuck am I having this broken English? I don't speak like that. My English is not so good, but also not so bad. Retry. Error in message stream. What the fuck? I don't know what is that. Who cares? Leave the topic. So I was thinking, like, you know what? I really want to be one of the greatest. I was writing something down right now, and I really want to be a good YouTuber. And I was thinking about that. I was like walking. I walk every day. Okay, so I was walking on my roof, and and I was thinking, if I become a good YouTuber, or what if I don't become a good YouTuber? What will I do? Like, because that's like a dream. I always dreamed of becoming a good YouTuber, a big YouTuber, making money out of YouTube, or having friends, you know, social media friends. I really wanted to do that, and then I realized, fuck, do I have that? Because I go numb in front of the camera, I go out of words in front of the camera, but then it feels like, okay, who cares? I mean, nobody really gives a shit. I don't even know. If I go viral someday, I'll delete my whole these videos for sure. I don't know if I'll do this or not. But yeah, who cares? I mean, this is the only thing that goes in my mind. There, I care a lot. I care a lot. It's just, you know, my coping mechanism. वो last के दो brain cells are telling me.
Nobody cares, Priya. Nobody cares.
But deep down, I care. I care what people gonna think. But I don't wanna think that. Okay, we should not talk about that, because I think it's like a hot girl problem. It's not a hot girl problem. It's like a big problem. It's like, fuck it, bro. Like, why do we care so much? And why do people care so much? Nobody cares, actually. Nobody cares. We are the only one who cares. I am not here to give you any motivational speech right now, or, you know, make you feel level up. No, because my level is so down that I am literally on the urge or on the verge to kill myself. I am not going to do that. I am not that weak. But I feel so depressed sometimes. Do you like music? I love music. Yeah, I was thinking, like, I've never been in a relationship, and I really want to get into one. I don't know how it feels. Like, I really want to have a boyfriend, to be honest. I'm not joking. I want to have a boyfriend so badly. Like, this is what all happens in my mind. Like, someone is planting, you know, a seed in my head, and these seeds are planted by my friends, my surroundings.
But it's cool. Something is really wrong with me. I don't know, my tongue is just slipping.
But it cools.
It's cool. I'll delete this video once I go viral. I will go viral for sure. But I don't want to be a bad YouTuber, you know. I want to have that, you know, that respect. I want everyone to talk about me, and I want everyone to relate with me. And do you take shower? I mean, I didn't take shower today, but it's okay because it's cold, and I live in Delhi. Like, Delhi is like dead cold. You know what? I also dream to go to New York one day. Like, I will move to New York, and I want to live my early 20s in New York. I also want to go to Mumbai. I'm 21 right now. I will go to Mumbai after, like, graduating from my, you know, diploma school. I will go there for sure because I'm doing filmmaking only. I'm happy. Like, life is taking me somewhere. It's like, I'm at the stage. I'm not at any stage right now, but I am in a zone where I'm just not forcing or pushing myself to do something, you know. I am pushing myself to make videos every day, but in any other way. Like, I kind of pushed and forced myself this whole year because I wanted to get into this my dream university, and I'm getting into one. Okay, and now I just want to be, you know, I want to have the articulated thoughts. I want to sound smart. I want to be very, you know, very clear with my things, my life, my track, you know. So now I started making videos because of that. And then it also feels like there are so many people who are 21, but they are achieving better than me. They're doing better than me. I'm like envious of them, but it happens, you know. It happens when things happen na, to ho jata hai. Like, you don't need to worry about something or anything. This is what I tell myself every time. Like, when there's something, you know, I suffer a lot mentally, emotionally. It sucks so much, but then I tell myself, Priya, this is happening for a reason. This is happening for a big reason, and I know you will going to have something better out of it. like something really good out of it. This is what I tell myself. And this actually happens a lot of time, you know, that actually things come out in a very better way. Like, I'm so grateful for so many things, like so many things. But I also feel like some things that are very traumatic, and I think we all go through that, and those traumatic experiences, you know, reshape our memories. Okay, so if we are having something, good, you know, we're doing extremely good. Okay, like just imagine, for a school student, for them what is important? Being first in the class, being very smart, being wise, you know, be attentive in the class, you know. They don't want to be, see, we all want to be like a baddie, we want to be like, we don't care about the world. But when we are a student, we all care about the world, we care about our reputation. Okay, I don't know what to say, but when a school going kid wanna achieve, you know, that first position in the class, and when they get it, it feels like that. I don't know what I was talking about, I forgot my topic. What was I talking about? Fuck, क्या बात कर रही थी मैं स्कूल गया नहीं, बच्चों के बारे में ज़्यादा ही बोल रही. लेकिन हाँ, this is what it feels. Sure, leave. But yeah, मेरे को ब्रेकआउट्स हो रहे हैं बहुत ज़्यादा. You know what? There was a girl when I was in 4th standard, and she was like my best friend. She was like the best friend I've ever had. After her, I never had anyone. I don't have anyone. Okay, so her name is Simran. I don't know where she is. Okay, so we became like best friend in first class. Okay, I saw her for the first time in class 1. Okay, and then we started sitting together, and then she was with me till class 4th. Okay, and we were like so close, we were extremely close. Like, I don't know where she is right now, and she left our school, and you know, in 4th standard, and I felt like terrible. I didn't feel terrible that time, okay, because it was like, okay, ठीक है भाई, this is, I was kind of excited कि अब life कहाँ जाने वाली है, ठीक है. लेकिन life कहीं गई नहीं उसके बाद. Life was stuck after her. It was a depressing year for me. Like, the moment she left, so she left in 4th class, and 4th से 5th तक, ये दोनों 4th and 5th class 2 साल was terrible for me. No one used to sit with me. Okay, I was sitting alone in the class, like, okay, and everyone is sitting with someone, and I give everything to Simran. I mean, you know, because she was my best friend, I never ऐसे played with anyone else, because she was the only girl I used to play, and she was my best friend. Why do I need someone else? You know, this is what it feels like to be in, you know, you love someone. I don't know her second name, you know, I don't know her last name. It feels bad. And she left, and she was like, I'll call you someday. She never called. I never called her. I lost that copy जहाँ पर मैंने उसका नंबर लिखा हुआ था. I miss her so bad. Like, I miss her badly. I never missed anyone the way I miss her. She was like, you know, she was like sunrise, you know, this beautiful sunrise or beautiful sunset. मैंने बहुत कम encounter किया है sunrise. मैं बहुत ज़्यादा encounter कर चुकी हूँ sunset. I love sunsets. She was like sunset, yellow and orange sunset. You're just sitting and watching. You're enjoying the view. She was like your favorite toy. I am not saying she's an object or something. It's just because she was like that, you know, bob haircut, or she was a little fluffy. Not really fluffy. She was like super beautiful. I wonder अगर हम लोग साथ होते तो. After her, it felt like I really miss her. I really wanna cry right now. I miss her. I'm not crying, but I do miss her. Like, there are so many friends I got after that. Like, school में काफ़ी अच्छे लोग नहीं मिले मुझे. I studied in one school only. Class 1 से class 12 तक I studied in the same school. All of them were bully, and they never, you know, they bullied me so much. Then I got into this college, and I met there my people. They're really nice. They're really sweet. I love them. I'll talk about them in some other video. But I still miss her. I tell them every time, like, I miss Simran. I really want to meet her. And they ask me कि प्रिया अगर वो तुझे भूल गई होगी तो like हो सकता है, possibilities. But I don't think वो मुझे भूली होगी. अगर भूली होगी तो ठीक है, कोई बात नहीं. I don't know why I'm talking so much. Okay, bye. See you in some other video. Bye. Bye. Subscribe कर दो. Subscribe to my channel and like the video. If you didn't like the video, then comment that you didn't like the video so that I can improve. And if I don't improve, then still come on my videos and check my videos, view my videos, and share it with your friends, families, and tell them, look what a girl she is, what a dumb girl she is.